Do you know the true costs of parts cleaning? To understand the true costs of your parts cleaning process, you have to differentiate between the obvious and the non-so-obvious costs. The obvious costs are clearly the cleaning equipment, the first fill with the chemicals, the installation and retrofits. But what about the non-so-obvious costs? These are the costs in use which occur on an ongoing basis, such as cleaning chemistry. You have to consider how often you have to exchange your bath and what's the top-up volume. Energy consumption during the process and also for drying of the chemicals. Water consumption when using an aqueous cleaning process. Waste disposal costs, so also the amount of waste is important. Space requirement, so the space which is required for a cleaning machine. Cycle time and throughput, because we all know time is money. The potential for the recycling of the cleaning media, because this can reduce your consumption. And not to forget labor costs for the process monitoring. When you consider both the obvious and the non-so-obvious long-term running costs, you are in a much better position to assess the true costs of the parts cleaning process. In our next video, we will talk about the energy efficiency of solvent cleaning, because energy consumption is a key cost factor. So stay tuned.